Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys an updated skincare routine, basically on how I get my skin bright, smooth, and glowy. So first, I'm going in with my Soap and Glory Vitamin C Facial Wash, and this is basically for all skin types. I really love this stuff. It has a nice clean scent, but it also does the job of getting my skin nice and clean without drying it out or irritating it. And it has these little exfoliant beads in it, which helps to also exfoliate your skin and get rid of dead skin cells. So this is really good. It's gentle, not harmful, and I just basically wash my face for at least 60 seconds. I try to follow that whole 60-second wash your face rule because I want to really work in my cleanser. You don't want to just slap it on and then rinse it off. I feel like that's not benefiting you. So at least 60 seconds, and then I pat my face dry because I never want to irritate it. I always pat it dry, never rub, because I'm not trying to irritate it. Next, I'm going in with my oil controlling facial toner, and this also includes citrus, so it has the orange oil in it, the lemon oil, and these things help to brighten and tone my skin, but as well it's going to help fight oil and control. So if you're an oily person, this toner is really good for you. I just put it on a cotton ball and I wipe it all over my face. Pretty simple. It's very cooling. It feels relaxing. Helps with redness, clear up any acne. I really love this toner. So I just go ahead and apply it all over, and then I just fan my face dry. I don't pat it or anything, just fan it. Next, I'm going in with my Melao Vitamin C Serum, and I love this stuff. It's very lightweight and it smells good, and I get so many benefits from this, which helps to brighten my skin and fight acne. So this basically fits perfectly into any skincare routine. I love a nice serum because serums actually penetrate and they work really good on your skin. This actually has natural ingredients sourced from the Amazon rainforest. It's vegan friendly and cruelty free, which is something I love in my products. I like stuff that's vegan because I know it has more cleaner ingredients. It's formulated for all skin types. It enhances your natural glow, which is something I always focus on. I love for my skin to glow naturally without having to put on any type of makeup or anything. It fights bacteria that causes acne and spots, which is really good. And it softens the texture of your skin and reduces fine lines and wrinkles, and it also boosts your collagen production. After that, my skin is super glowy and super popping, and I'm going to go in with my Even Skin face cream. I love this stuff. It has turmeric oil, lemon oil, and shea butter, and it's a nice thick moisturizer. And after that, guys, skin is glowing. I love this skincare routine, and I hope you guys did too. See you in the next one. Bye guys.